All right, at least looking at our cameras, looks like it's a little hazy as we're heading into the afternoon hours. That's not going to stop us from hitting the 80s today. We should see plenty of heat both today and tomorrow. And actually, that warm weather is going to really stick around for the rest of the week. It's 73 already as we're heading into the afternoon. That's up 3 degrees from last hour. It's partly cloudy. You'll notice the winds out of the south at 8 miles an hour. Officially for the day today, they'll be variable. They started out very light out of the east, then changed over to the south. And by the end of the day, they should be out of the southwest to the west. So we'll watch closely for that. You can also see the cooler air, the cooler conditions just off to the east, and the warmer weather off to the west, including Columbus, coming in already at 79 degrees. That warm air is going to continue to move into western Pennsylvania. As it does, we'll continue to see our temperatures going up. So we'll put things into motion for you. This is forecast temperature 73 as of about now. So it's pretty much spot on what we're expecting to see. Now, it's going to show temperatures into the mid to low 80s here locally. I do think the Pittsburgh area hits about 85 today for a high. But notice this big surge, this big bubble right there. That's going to be the warm air that will continue to move our way. So it'll just shift just enough. Notice it comes a little bit closer right on top of us as we're heading into Wednesday. We'll be looking at a high temperature of about 88 degrees. Could actually see potentially maybe one or two places, mainly south of I-70, possibly hitting that 90-degree mark. I don't think Pittsburgh's going to do it, though. So you'll notice over the next week and a half what happens. Here's that surge of heat that kind of slides through, and we'll still be plenty warm. In fact, 71's the average high this time of the year, so still plenty warm as we're heading over the next week after this surge of heat. But certainly you can see the next couple of days a lot warmer than what we're going to be expecting to see over the next 10 days after that heat gets out of here. So today, man, we're 40 degrees from start to finish. Going to see a 40-degree difference in our lows and our highs today, and we get even hotter than that as we're heading into your Wednesday. The next rain chance, if you're wondering about that, should be on Thursday, and that'll leak into Friday as well. Both days we'll have a chance for rain. Speaking of rain, if you're up in the Clarion community, northern parts of Armstrong, Mercer County, you are seeing just a couple of showers this afternoon. Talked about this morning. We're tracking this and said, hey, right along and mainly north of I-80 was where you had the best chance for some rain. Not a lot of rain coming down, just about 1/5 of an inch in the heaviest of the spot there, but something we're watching for. Area of low pressure in the cold front well off to our west. That will track through as we're heading into Thursday and Friday. That gives us that chance for rain. 85. Plenty of heat today. You can see local temperatures there. Most places into the 80s, but notice once again along north of I-80, elevated areas will be about 10 degrees cooler than everyone else. I just wanted to note that. 64 overnight tonight for a temperature. Quick look also, your allergy report, man, grass and trees, pollen is way up at this point. So if that's one of the things that you are allergic to, probably feeling it this afternoon. There's your 7-day outlook. 85 today for a high, 88 on Wednesday, 85 on Thursday, and then back to right around 80 degrees as we're heading into the weekend.
Good thing none of us around here ever have allergies, right, Ron?
Exactly, exactly. So glad about that.
Right?
Yeah, they are. I have a little hay fever at this point.
All right, Ron, thank you.
All right.
Thank you.